ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. All-in-one cleaning hub. 1100PA. ZeroTangle Technology. TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping. Dual self-emptying. Hot water washing. Auto-mop lifting. Brand ECOVACS. Model name T30S Combo. Special feature 11,000 PA unbeatable suction. Innovative ZeroTangle Technology. Upgraded all-in-one station. TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping Technology. 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop. Washing 11,000 PA unbeatable suction. Innovative ZeroTangle Technology. Color black. Product dimensions 21.8L x 17.5W x 20.7H. Surface recommendation. Hardwood floor, carpet, tile. Controller type. App control, button control, voice control. Battery cell composition. Lithium-ion. Are batteries included? Yes. Clean everything effortlessly. The DEEBOT T30S Combo includes a powerful robot vacuum for floors and a handheld vacuum for other surfaces and facades. All-in-one docking station. Enjoy a clean home from floor to furniture effortlessly. All-in-one cleaning hub. This space-saving design features a bidirectional dust collection system, allowing both vacuums to auto-empty their dustbins into the station's large capacity bag. Plus, it also supports 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and auto water refilling. Ready to tackle any cleaning task, save you time and effort. Unbeatable 11,000 PA. Suction power experience. A new level of clean with the DEEBOT T30S. It's powerful. 11,000 PA suction. Driven by advanced motor and airflow technology. Makes cleaning carpets effortless. Enjoy spotless floors throughout your home without the hassle. TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping, equipped with TruEdge technology. The DEEBOT T30S excels in cleaning edges and corners with unparalleled precision. By employing a hovering arm and advanced algorithms, it achieves 1 millimeter accuracy and significantly enhances 99% coverage in hard-to-reach areas. No spot is left untouched. Dual ZeroTangle anti-tangle technology. Say goodbye to the frustration of detangling hair and debris. Equipped with ZeroTangle technology, DEEBOT T30S Combo masterfully avoids entanglements of human and pet hair in both the robot vacuum main brush and the handheld one. This breakthrough minimizes maintenance, ensures a smooth, continuous, and efficient cleaning. Advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance experience. A thorough and uninterrupted clean with the DEEBOT T30S TrueDetect 3D 3.0 avoids obstacles with precision, while True Mapping to 0.0 maps your home quickly. This intelligent combination ensures efficient cleaning with minimal risk of getting stuck or damaging furniture. Effortless cleaning control. Control your DEEBOT with ease. Use voice commands OK Yiko or a simple foot touch to start cleaning. Works across Apple Watch and smartphone widgets and dynamic island for seamless control from anywhere. Alexa is also supported. Intelligent deep mopping, mop rewashing, and remopping. The DEEBOT T30S tackles even the stickiest dirt. Long-lasting battery and fast charging with up to 180 minutes of runtime.